Hi guys, hola nenas, welcome back to my channel. I have something super exciting to like unbox for you guys to see. Is the Murillo twin palette, and it looks like this. Look how pretty that looks. It looks so nice. This is the most bougiest palette I've ever got. Look at, you get the whole experience. It comes in this huge box, right? And in the back it has their signatures. Their signatures are in the back, yes, and you can feel it and you can touch it. It has like a 3D effect to it. Then you open it up like this, and it looks like this inside, and you get the full experience. You get the both lip glosses, the contour kit with the blush, the eyelashes, and both palettes. Boom, boom, boom. I'm ready. Are you ready? Because I'm so ready to do this. Vámonos, vamos a hacerlos. We're gonna do this right now. You know I had to get it. Of course I had to get it. You already know. I had to support my Latina sisters. Yes. The Murillo twin palette. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I want to do this. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you is I did my concealer and my foundation and my eyebrows. It's the same thing I always do. I will link a video down below where I do that so you guys can go see it and whatever. You already know. Because those products are not finished and I'm not planning on buying nothing else until those are done. I'm trying to save my coin. So you already know, sis. We're gonna get right into this and we're gonna do our eyes and we're gonna look cute and fabulous like the Murillo twins. Yes. So first, let me show you what it looks like. Let's get excited. Yes, okay. So I'm gonna start off with the Briana palette, and it looks like this. She looks bomb. Yes, sister, work. She looks like a spicy Latina up in there. And in the back, it looks like this. So yes, when we open it, it looks extra bougie. Look at the way this looks. This looks so cool. Look at that. I've never seen a palette like that. It looks really expensive. And in the back, it has her signature, and it says Briana on it. Palettes look really bougie, and it was only $17. Yes, Nana, you already heard it. $17. It was like, what? In Sephora, you waste way more than that, and they don't look this expensive. This whole experience of getting all these products was $79. I waste more than that in Sephora and get way less. When I go into Sephora, I scan like 3 items, like legit, like just 3 items, and there goes 150, 200. I'm looking at the girl like, really, sis? I just spent $200 on 2 things. I wasted $200 on 2 things. What? But yes, this whole experience, you get eyelashes, you got lipstick, you got bronzer and blush and eyeshadow palettes, 2, not 1, and it comes out to $79 for everything. What? That's a steal. If you don't have it, you need to get it because, girl, you saving your coin. And this is the Briana. Oh my goodness. I love that it has a mirror. I love palettes that have mirrors because I want to see myself. Like if I'm doing my eyeshadow, I want to see myself. So yes, and it looks like this. Look at that. They look gorgeous, and they're very pigmented. They're super pigmented. Look at my fingers right now. They look super pigmented. I love this. And the colors are Double Vision, The Bomb, It's Lit, Turn TF Up, Vibes, Juicy, All Good, OMG, Hustle, Like What the F, 25, and Bay. And these are the colors. Those are the names under it. And this is how they look. You know, on Latina skin. This is how they look. Because sometimes we wonder, like, how will it look on our skin? And have an olive complexion, and that's how they look. So that was Brianna's palette. So we're gonna go on to Brittany's palette. Brittany's palette looks like this. Oh my gosh, she looks so fierce in the front. I love this eyeshadow look. And in the back, it looks like this. And we're gonna open it. It says her name in the corner, like the other one. And right here, it says Brittany Murillo. And it's very cute. And when you open it, it looks like this. This one's have more purples, more nude tones, and then very blue. Then she has blues. So yeah, they're not super similar. It has some pinks, some blues, some purples, and you see the difference. So yeah. So the shades are JJ, Icy Girl, Let Me Live, She Fly, Rose, Unbothered, Hella, Toxic, Boss Life, Brit Brat, Pisces, and Drip. So I'm gonna put them on so you guys can see. These are the shades. as you can see. So yes, so what I'm gonna do is on this side I'm gonna do one eyeshadow look, and on this side I'm gonna do a different one, so we could do the comparison. What I'm gonna try to do is copy Brianna's look that she has in this picture on this eye, and Brittany's look that she has in this picture on this eye. So let's get started. For the Briana one, vision first all over the lid. Double vision all over the eyelid. Next, she has some pinky tones. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna turn TF up, and we're gonna put that all over our crease. Then I'm gonna take the shade Vibes and put it all over the bottom part of our eyelids. So from here to here. Next, I'm gonna take the shade The Bomb, which is this one right here. And we're gonna go like this into the inner tear duct. Next, I'm gonna go back into Double Vision, just to put in our inner tear duct as well, because she has some white in there. And under our brow bone. Just like this. It was a cute, easy look. It looks nice, and all the colors blend super well, and they're super pigmented. Look at these pinks. If you love pink, what, this palette is for you. If you love pink, you love nudes, definitely get this palette. The pinks are so pretty and it's so pigmented. What I'm gonna be going into is Brittany. So in Brittany's look, she has more of this blue blue fierce look. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna put that all over our eyelid as the base. I love that both of these eyeshadow palettes come with that base color, because it's like, I need a base, girl. So next we're gonna take that blue. Which blue should I take first? Okay, we're gonna go into the shade Drip, which is this one, and we're gonna put it into our crease. The shade JJ again, and we're gonna put that in our inner tear duct. The shade Unbothered, and this is Pretty Purple shade, and I'm gonna put it right here under the last blue that we did and blend it up into the crease. Next, what I'm gonna do, because she has blue under her eye, we're gonna go into Drip again and put it under our eye. Next, I'm going to go back into the shade JJ and put some more into the inner tear duct. And this is how it looks, this side and this side. So both of these eyeshadow palettes are super, super, super pigmented. My girls did not fail us at all. The palette looks super bougie, and it was only $17. $17. And each, of course, they each $17, and you get two different looks from them. And if you know, like, you need both, and you could tell they're different. You can tell they're two different palettes, and they're very, 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 very cute. So what I'm gonna do is make my eyes look similar so we can continue this video. So I did this, the same thing I did to this eye, I did it to this eye. And right now I'm taking Brittany's palette. Because I'm going to combine the two, so we don't look crazy right now. And I'm going to take the shade Toxic and put it into the crease to get a purple look to it, more definition. Palette called Rose. Put it in here. And we're gonna put that on our eyelids. And the two eyeshadow palettes to get this look. So we're gonna continue. Next with the eyelashes. So this one is Brittany's. And they look like this. Isn't that cute? Like the little case opens and closes like that. And you get her eyeball with it on. Next one is Brianna's. So it's like this. This is her eye with it. And that's how it looks inside. Top. Look how cute. And they have their names on the back. But yeah, I don't have eyelash glue right now, but when I do, I'm gonna come back and do another video with these lashes. But yes, they're super cute. Next, I'm gonna go into this quad, and it looks like this in the front, and when you take it out, it has that metallic look as well. And in the bottom, it says quad goals, and in the back, if you guys can see it, it says the same thing. And it has a picture of them on the inside. And this is how it looks. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna mix both blushes. One at a time, of course. And this is this color, this pink color. I'm gonna take this color right underneath. And we're gonna mix it in all together. They look gorgeous. So I'm gonna contour my face with these bronzers. So let's go. I'm gonna use this one first. And I'm gonna take the darker shade to try to cover this part right here. You know, any double chin or anything gone. So the Murillo twins are helping us out. And that's how it looks. I like. It's cute. Yeah, I like it a lot. Brianna's, and when you take it out, it looks like this. So this one comes with an actual lipstick and a lip pencil. So let's try it. It just shade. Look at that. And it says moi on it. It says moi. Okay. Outline my lips a little bit, you know, to make them look more plumpy. Pretty nude, and it has a little heart on it. Oh my goodness. So it looks like this. I think they made my lips look plumpier. What do you think? I think they do look plumpier. Wow, Brie. Did a very good job. Wow, these are even better than the Kylie lip kits. Look at this. Like, I legit see my lips are more plumpy. What? Get this. If your lips are not plumpy or a little bit plumpy and you want them plumpier, whatever it is, Nana, you know. Brie got you. Because look, Brie got me. Thank you, sis. Wow. No lip injections needed. They're cute. And I'm going to try Brittany's. Brittany's looks like this. And when you open it, she has... Oh, that's cute. She has a lip liner and some lip gloss. Shade. Oh my goodness. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to outline my lips just a little bit. It has a little heart up here too. This smells delicious. Oh, this smells like cake. I like this. Lips do not feel dry at all. This feels very moisturizing. And it looks super shimmery. I love this. What do you guys think? And it's cute too. Like, you need both of them because they both give you different things. Like, with With Brianna's, you get a lipstick and a lip pencil. And this one, you get the lip gloss with the lip pencil. And you could kind of combine them both. Like, you could wear these and then put the lip gloss on top. Or wear this with this. Like, you can combine it all. Start running down the prices and telling you guys what the palette came with. Because the Murillo twins sent a lot. Murillo twins got you. So, it came with this pretty card of the girls right here. Yes, my Latina sisters. And if you're a Latina, they're your sisters too, because they got you. They already know what we want and what we need and what looks cute. So try them out. So the eyeshadow palette is $17. Mink lashes were $8. The lip drip was only $12. And the face palette was $14. I can tell that they took a lot of time just to create these palettes. All these palettes were so well made and it wasn't expensive at all. And it came in this huge box. Like, I have never brought a palette with a huge box. Like, I love this. I got like the full PR experience. Like, you don't have to be a celebrity and you don't have to be like anything like super special to be like, oh, here's the thing to get a PR package. You just go to the website and you order one of these to get the full experience. That was so sweet of them that they make everybody feel special. So it was really cool. So you get this for the whole special experience. And when you open it up, everything is in there. Boom, bam, in your face. It's so freaking cute. So in the package, it came this card with the prices, and also came some stickers with their faces on it. What? So yes, what did you guys think of the palette? I love it. This palette makes you feel like mommy, mamacita, nena, señorita. Like, it makes you feel the bomb.com. If you want a cute palette for a spicy Latina look, I suggest you get this one. Because you could get different looks and you can combine them all. And they look super, super, super cute. And you should get your hands on them. So yes, this palette is good for all skin tones and everything. But especially good for our Latina skin. They know what's good for our skin tone. So yeah, so that's why all these colors, they went very well with me. Like, I would have never in a million years tried a dark-ish nude lip. And it looked very good because she already knows that that works for the Latinas. So if you're Latina, you need to get this palette. So you guys tell me what you think about this palette. And yeah, if you like videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, guys, soar like a butterfly.